What's going on, guys? Car Guy V8 here with another video, and I'm standing in front of my 2004 Mustang GT, which, if you'll remember, in my last video I did a grill delete free modification where I just deleted the grill, and I had the Mach 1 grill delete kit ordered, but I was going to see first what it looked like, just the free modification, in case you didn't want to spend any money. And so I'll show y'all how that turned out here in a second, in case you didn't see that last video. And then we'll install the actual grill delete and see which one's better. I think we both already know the answer to that. But anyway, let's get right on to it. All right. So if you just delete your grill without having the Mach 1 kit ordered, it'll leave you 4 bolt holes plus 2 smaller holes, which I plugged. I didn't have any plugs big enough for the bolt holes, and it'll also leave some metal exposed right up here that you can see. And it doesn't look the best whenever it's bright outside, because you can easily see this exposed metal. There isn't any plastic molding or anything over it. Even on day one, somebody I know came up to me and said, "Man, I see you lost your pony emblem." And then I told him what I was doing and what modification I was planning to do to the car. But it honestly does not look the best. It is a free modification, so I mean, you can make it your own. But we'll see what it looks like with the actual Mach 1 grill delete kit. So let's get on that right now. Alright guys, so here is the finished product with the Mach 1 grill delete minus the horse emblem. I'm going to try it for a while without that emblem, because right now I really like the look of it without it. It just looks mean and aggressive. But at some point I'll probably try it with the horse and see what it's like. But look how that turned out. I will say the kit is definitely way better than the free modification that I did in the last video. I'm sure y'all can tell that already. Yeah, that looks really good. Let me pop the hood here in a second, and I'll show y'all everything, because I know all y'all saw was the time lapse, so I'll actually show up underneath it now. Here we are up under the hood. As you can see, it's pretty simple. I mean, this is a 10-minute modification, if even that. This is a quick mud. It's pretty cheap, and you know, you've just got a few push pins to push in, and that's about it with this kit. It's really easy, and it already looks 10 times better than the honeycomb grill, in my opinion. There it is, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this little time-lapse video, and I will say, this is a lot better than the free modification.